how to replace the boot struts on a BMW E91. On the old struts, all you do is first undo these clips here, one on either end. You can see the clip inside. All you want to do is pull it out a bit. All you need to do is just get a screwdriver, lift them out. You can see from the new strut, we just pulled them out of place, so they're not in the way inside, so we can just literally push them on and then push these back in. So just release the metal clips with a screwdriver like you've seen. And push the metal clips back into place with a screwdriver. If the clip comes off, just put it over the end and slide it on, and you're done.